welcome to Cooking for Real, where we're on the last episode of a turkey series. We only have a little bit left, including that giblet gravy. So grab your school potatoes and your canned corn, because I'm about to get you almost a night off. Here we have that delicious giblet gravy that I encouraged you to save, so I really hope that you did. I have quite a lot of it. I'm putting it into this saucepan. It is a little tight right now, but that's what happens with gravy. Just get that all in there. Turn the heat on. Maybe add a little water. So we're going to get this warmed up. And into that, the rest of the turkey that I diced up. There is dark meat and white meat in here. Ooh. And to that we will add 1 drained can of corn. Gotta get your vegetables in there. All we have to do now is stir it together. Then we're going to put the lid on and let it warm up. And on the side, we're just going to follow the instructions on the bag of potatoes or box of potatoes, whichever you use. And when it's all done, we'll just serve that on top of that, and it's done. Thank you for joining me on Cooking for Real today with my extremely simple thing to do with the last of your turkey leftovers. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell just so you get notified every time I put up a new video. And please enjoy having almost a night off.